January, day 28. Today we're making butter tarts. Are butter tarts the best thing about Canada? No, but they are right up there. And I just had an awful French test, so I need a treat to recover. First, we're going to start by making the crust. In a mixer, pulse 415 milliliters of flour to spread evenly at the bottom of the bowl. Spread 250 milliliters of butter, cut into chunks evenly on top. Pulse until the butter is well combined with the flour and the dough starts to form clumps. Now sprinkle 250 milliliters of flour on top. Briefly pulse until the dough becomes crumbly. Sprinkle 90 milliliters of ice water and 5 milliliters of cold apple cider vinegar, just a little bit at a time. I definitely meant to do that. Use a spatula to fold. If you say fold one more time. And press the dough until it comes together into a ball. Divide the dough in half and form each into a 2 centimeter thick disc. Wrap each disc tightly and chill for at least 2 hours. I'm gonna go play a video game and I'll be back in 2 hours. Okay, I feel better. Kind of. Now that the crust is ready, preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius. Roll out the pastry nice and thin and cut out 12 circles about 14 centimeters in diameter. Fit the pastry circles into 12 wells of a muffin pan. Wobbly edges are totally okay. Okay, now the eternal debate of raisins. If you want to add 15 milliliters of raisins to the bottom of each tart shell, which is what I'm doing, go for it. Or if you think raisins are an absolute abomination and disgrace, you can put in 1 or 2 pecans. I'm allergic to tree nuts, so I'm just gonna do raisins. In a medium bowl, beat together 360 milliliters of brown sugar, 125 milliliters of vegan butter, 45 milliliters of oat milk, 60 milliliters of cornstarch, and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, and blend until smooth and creamy. Divide the butter mixture along each tart shell. It's okay if they're not filled to the top. Bake for about 23 minutes. The filling will be bubbly and foamy. Remove from the oven and let cool completely before serving. Let's try it. That's really good. Tastes amazing. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.